Can I explain to you in just 30 seconds how RetroFoam is installed in homes with vinyl and aluminum siding? I'm mostly confident that I can. For homes that have aluminum or vinyl siding, first they're going to go around and they're going to remove a row of siding all the way around the house. Someone's going to follow behind those crew members and drill holes into each stud cavity. They're going to use a tool to check for obstructions in the wall, and if they find one, they're going to drill another hole either above it or below it so that no area is missed. The installer will follow behind them, and they're going to run the injection foam hose from the top to the bottom of the cavity, ensuring that every nook and cranny is filled. Once that's done, those holes are plugged, the siding is replaced, and cleanup happens, making it look like we were never there. I'm mostly confident that I thoroughly explained to you how install happens with homes with vinyl or aluminum siding. The goal is to leave your home feeling more comfortable and energy efficient without any evidence that we were ever there. Now, if you want to learn more about the different types of exterior that we work with or how RetroFoam is installed, check out the Learning Center on our website. There you're going to find tons of resources that will answer all of your questions. I'm your building science brainiac, reminding you to bring a little science to every project.